In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor, viewers. Please be support me like this forever. You can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of handmade crochet mobile covers. So you are please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of most attractive designs, most amazing collection of mobile covers. It's totally handmade, viewers, so must make these beautiful designs for your mobiles for most amazing and attractive look. So share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of beautiful mobile covers ideas. It's a very creativity, amazing designs. I really hope that they will love this most amazing collection. You know, guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of themes. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs. Viewers must apply these beautiful designs on your mobiles for more beautiful and amazing look. These designs are very useful because your mobile easy to carry. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your mobile covers and other decoration of crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like the video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers.